Power is transmitted at high voltages to minimize energy loss during transmission. Here's a breakdown of why reduced current. The fundamental relationship is power, P, voltage, V, X current, I. If you want to transmit a certain amount of power, P, and you increase the voltage, V, the current, I, must decrease proportionally, minimizing resistive losses. Joule heating. All electrical wires have some resistance. When current flows through a resistor, some energy is lost as heat. This power loss due to resistance is given by the formula P_loss I superscript to R, where I is the current and R is the resistance of the wire. Since losses are proportional to the square of the current, I superscript to, even a small reduction in current leads to a significant reduction in energy loss. By transmitting at high voltage, the current is drastically reduced, leading to much lower heat dissipation along the transmission lines. Thinner wires with lower current. You can use thinner and lighter transmission lines, which are cheaper to manufacture and easier to support efficiency. Higher voltage transmission dramatically improves the overall efficiency of the power grid, ensuring that more of the generated electricity reaches homes and businesses, rather than being wasted as heat. How it works in practice. Generation. Electricity is generated at power plants, often at moderate voltages, e.g. 10 से 25 kV. Step-up transformers. Immediately outside the power plant, transformers step up the voltage to very high levels, e.g. 110 kV, 220 kV, 400 kV, or even higher for long distances. Transmission. This high-voltage electricity is then sent across long distances via transmission lines.